Hey guys, so today we are gonna make slime upstairs again. So my dad is at practice with my brother and my mom is here in the bedroom. So let's get started. So today we're gonna use air wick. I've tried air wick before, it's sticky so you have to add a lot. So yeah. Okay, so first step is the glue. Purple. Okay, and then now it's the air wick. I'm not gonna add lotion because it's gonna become sticky already. So, okay, this is what I do. And go 10 seconds. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I sucked things up. Okay. Strong. It looks hard, but it's actually not. Watch. So it's tilting. See, it looks hard, but it wasn't. Dang, that's super strong. I don't want to touch this. Why? Look, I'm going to stay still. I don't really care about that blanket right now. Oh no, I need to add more. Okay. And if I have to keep putting this, I'm going to add that one. Oh, wow. Wow. This went everywhere and I didn't even notice. Sorry, guys. This is so much. Wait. Oh, I thought I did. So, sorry, guys. Don't think the video is paused. 3, 2, 1. Let's continue mixing. Guys, you better not pause. This, or you're going to miss everything. Watch, you're going to see this. So you gotta quickly pause this. 3, 2, 1. What did I do? Mystery. There we go. It's becoming to look a lot like slime. Pink slime with air wick. The slime is super sticky and it looks very fine, but it's not to me. Got him. Okay, since you think this is slime already, be back when it's all needed. Okay, I've been mixing it and kneading it, but it's still very sticky. So let's add some more. Oh, goodness. Oh, I don't want to put my camera again. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry. Guys want to watch me knead in a weird way. What the heck am I doing? There. I love this slime. Okay, it's still pretty sticky. I don't know now. Wait. I don't know why. There. Okay, the slime is a lot more better. Oh, it's slipping. Look, watch. Okay, ready? It's bowling now. Okay, ready? Sit. Let's bowl. Wait, nope. Let's bowl. That's like that. Okay, there. Much better. Let's bowl. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna put that there for now. Then do this. There. Get the slime. Ready. Let's bowl. Whoa. 10 seconds right now.